How to keep being a student even after you have graduated.
No rain.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. As you guys know, I call myself an expert communication student, not an expert communication person. And here's why. I feel only when one is a student can they continue learning about a subject and keep getting better. Having said that, in today's busy world, when there are a lot of responsibilities, when you're in business, when you're an entrepreneur, so many other tasks to do, how do you keep being a student? Here's a few things. Number one, when you've decided you're a student for something, every interaction you'll have, everywhere you'll go, you'll see things from those eyes and keep learning once you identify as a student of something. Number two, I think people waste time during a lot of transits when you're traveling in the car or a bus. Modern technology has given us things like audiobooks and YouTube. I plug my earphones in, listen to audiobooks by people I want to learn from during those transit times and make use of those gap times that other people will listen to music or just stare out of the window, using my time to educate myself with modern facilities like audiobooks, YouTube, and podcasts. So these few things keep me updated and help me be an expert student of communication. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.